How do I fill this thing?
Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Looks like you have a lovely new Audi E-Tron, and that is a fully electric vehicle as far as I'm aware of, so you don't need to fill it with gas. We need to find you an electric charging station. So let's go do that.
All
Alright, so now that we're parked and the car is off and we are parked at a charging station, we're going to go to our charge door on the driver's side of the vehicle. Just pressing that button, and the charge door will open, and this is how we get ready to charge, to plug in the charge. If you're at a really high-speed charger out there on the highway, you will also have a plug that has that to go in with it. Right now, we just have regular charging like you're at your house. Notice, we start with a little blink as it's getting ready. What we want to see is slow pulsing green. That means the car is successfully charging if you get a pulse of a green. If you get red, if you get yellow, if you get rapid flashing green, as it shows you it's not charging, there's something going on, not getting a charge, but this is what we want. To remove our charger, the car either needs to be unlocked or key with the person who's doing it. Simply press this button to release. You will hear it release a little sound. You may click this, pull out. The door will go up by itself. No need to close the door. There is a timer. It will close on its own. So that's how we charge electric vehicles, especially here at Audi with the Audi E-Tron. We are here for you. We have charging stations for you if you need in a pinch. But that is all you're going to need to do. No more seeing a gas station.
Perfect.
Kendall, let's start something great.